In this video, I will show you how to bleed the brakes on a ZAZ Slavuta car. We will need universal brake fluid DOT4, a smaller oil-resistant rubber hose, and a small container for the fluid. First, you need to open the cap of the expansion tank and add brake fluid to the very top. The cap can be left open for now. Then pour some brake fluid into the bottle and get under the car to open the valve. Meanwhile, the assistant will press the brake pedal. She knows how to do it. And we will secure this nut. Start by bleeding the left rear wheel, then the right front. This is one circuit, and the second circuit is the right rear and left front. Remove the protective rubber valve from the caliper and attach a rubber hose to it. Loosen by about 2-3 turns this nut and ask the assistant to pump 5 times the brake pedal. Here come the air bubbles. The pedal is soft now. After pumping 5 times, close the ZAZ valve. Then check the fluid level in the reservoir. Everything is fine here, we can pump some more. The assistant is now holding the pedal. We loosen the valve and ask the assistant to continue working. Continue until the air bubbles stop coming out. Now the dirty brake fluid has started to appear. The pedal has become firm. Tighten it, press the pedal and hold it, and tighten the valve at the same time. And check the level in the reservoir. After that, remove the hose and close the pipe with a rubber plug. I only repaired the right front caliper. My brake fluid didn't leak, so I'm only bleeding one wheel. And add brake fluid to the reservoir. Now tighten the reservoir and connect the level sensor. There you go, the brake system is bled. All that's left is to hit the road D and check how it works.